Hi there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install an auxiliary port into your BMW. I'm doing this video because I know how it feels not being able to do things to your car because you don't know how to do it. So first things first is buy these plastic plying tools on eBay. I bought these for $9 and they're pretty good. Okay. And it's really easy. I already installed mine. As you can see, I installed mine right there. Okay. They usually tell you to do it in here, but no. Why am I gonna want to be stretching out from the driver's side when I can just put it in here and put my phone in here? Okay. First things first, ply out the trim wood. It's really dirty right now because I already did mine. And I was just touching it just now. The first time you pry this out, if it's your first time ever getting it out, it's going to be a little bit more harder than mine was. This is the second time I pried this out, and it wasn't that hard as you can see. Okay. You want to do this carefully, so you don't want to break this and having to go buy a new one, or go into the junkyard and taking another one out. Okay. Alright, it's done. First one's done. Second one. Okay. Okay. Second one is done. Alright, so second thing, I want to take out these two screws right here. Okay. Hold the camera. Alright, where's the screw? Alright, take off first one right here. Still need a little bit more. This is the easiest part of the process. Honestly, I'm not the kind of guy that knows how to do all this electrical stuff, but trust me, this was so easy. Pull it out. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it the way I did it. Installing it over here on the instead of the glove box. Step 2. Give me a second. You're going to want to pry this out with the flathead. Okay? You have to put it all the way up. All the way up. You can. Ah, damn it. It's pretty hard right now because the new connection kind of makes it hard to take out. Alright, first things first, we want to take off the radio harness. Oops. take off the radio harness. Holding it. Okay, you see what I did? I just pulled it all the way up and it came out by itself. Okay? This is how it's gonna look. And this is how the connection that they send you, right? This is how it looks. Okay, this is gonna go on this one. Okay, and as you can see, it already has these two connections right here. It has those two connections right there. Okay, sorry. It has those two connections. This one goes on the left, and this one goes on the right, the one that you're gonna put in. But what I did to be able to install it down here was that you have to push this out. You just put your hand in the back of it, of the radio, the air conditioning climate, and you're gonna want to push it out, but don't push it too hard. Okay, pull this out. You don't want to set it like however you can. Okay, this the one that you buy for the AUX, on the end of it has like where you can connect it, which is a like little hole. You're gonna want to pass that connection to the bottom of this. Okay, and what you're gonna do is that you're gonna push this out. Okay, you're gonna push this out from the back. Once you push it out, what I did to be able to get to connect my auxiliary input into there, I got a drill. Okay, I got a drill and I drilled a hole into it, a hole enough so that can fit in it. Once I did that, I just passed it over there, passed it over from the back to the bottom of this, and then I just put the auxiliary end into here. Okay, that's the easiest part right there. Again, if you guys have questions, just ask. Okay, the comments. Hold it. So then, once you do that, you drill the hole, you put everything in here, you pass it back. Okay, pass it back. You put this connection where I told you, which is in the left side, or on the right side. I forgot what side I said. It goes in here. That's my left. Okay, just like that. You're just gonna want to connect it back. Okay, once you connect that back, you connect the radio harness, and look what it says. But you feel so good, she said, what if I could, but I gotta leave you alone. Something's wrong, it's not connected right. There you go. Once you connect it right, it's gonna say AUX, as you can see right there. Alright, you're gonna wanna push this down. You're gonna wanna push that down. And pass to the back again. AUX. And that'll be it. Close it, Jimmy.